Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 12 5.5mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 3 4mm screws from the hinge, 5 3mm screws from the motherboard, and 3 4mm screws from the motherboard bracket. Raise the hinge and remove the bracket. Remove 1 3mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speaker cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Turn the motherboard slightly over, flip open the locking clip, and unplug both the palm rest cable and the second daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cable back into the motherboard. Plug the palm rest cable back into the motherboard. Replace the motherboard. And make sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Plug the daughterboard cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the speaker cable back into the motherboard. and plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. Replace the one 3mm screw into the Wi-Fi card. Replace the bracket and lower the hinge. Replace the 3 4mm screws in the hinge, the 5 3mm screws in the motherboard, and the 3 4mm screws into the bracket. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the tape. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 12 5.5mm screws back into the bottom cover.